Did you know? These 10 things about chia seeds. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the tiny yet mighty world of chia seeds and uncovering the incredible benefits they offer for our health and well-being. If you're curious about superfoods and want to boost your nutrition, stick around as we explore the wonders of chia seeds. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and various vitamins and minerals. 2. Heart health. One of the standout benefits of chia seeds is their positive impact on heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids they contain can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and support overall cardiovascular health. 3. Weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, chia seeds can be a valuable ally. Their high fiber content helps you feel full, reducing overall calorie intake. 4. Energy boost. Chia seeds have a unique ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency. This property can contribute to sustained energy levels and improved endurance during physical activities. 5. Blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can slow down the digestion process, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making chia seeds a potentially beneficial addition for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage blood sugar levels. 6. Digestive health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system. The gel-like consistency they form when soaked in water can aid in smooth digestion and prevent constipation. 7. Bone health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Including chia seeds in your diet may contribute to better bone density and overall bone health. 8. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. 9. Hydration. When soaked in water, chia seeds can absorb many times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like substance. This property helps with hydration and can be especially beneficial for athletes or those needing an energy boost during physical activities. 10. Versatility in cooking. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes. They can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or used as an egg substitute in baking. Chia seeds are more than just a trendy superfood, they are a nutritional powerhouse with a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're focused on heart health, weight management, or just overall well-being, chia seeds deserve a spot in your kitchen. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and subscribe for more insightful content on our channel.